So I can come over here and grab my Apple MagSafe charging puck. And you know what? Let's just see if it works with this case. And surprise, surprise, it definitely does. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear with glitter case for none other than my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck, though, for sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. But anyway, now let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Speck on the side, Presidio Perfect-Clear with glitter right here. And we've also got a nice big clear area where we can actually see the clear, well, with glitter case itself right there. 13 feet of drop protection, in addition to microbial antimicrobial protection and a clear guarantee. And once again, this is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And as we can tell from the magnets and this part right here, it is built for MagSafe and it has those magnets built right into it. Over here in the back, it talks a little bit more about the clear guarantee, how it's built for MagSafe, those 13 feet of drop protection, and that antimicrobial product protection as well. But anyway, let's just get this case out of the box. And as you can see, Speck makes it super duper easy. We can go ahead and put the box to the side. And you know what? Let's grab my 14 Pro Max right here. And let's just plop it right into this case. So we can go ahead and do just that. And let me actually mute my phone because it unmuted itself right there. And as you can see, that works just fine right there because the dynamic island got bigger and said so. So we have a cutout right there for the mute switch. And then near the mute switch, we have the volume buttons right here, nice and clicky. Over here, we have the side button, which we can use to, activate the always on display right there because this is a 14 Pro Max. Over here on the bottom, we have two cutouts for the speaker grills as well as a cutout for the lightning port. Over here in the back, wow, we have a lot of glitter right there, and that is pretty cool, especially, when I move it around and it kind of dances in the light. It's kind of interesting too, like the Apple logo, at some angles I can sort of see it and others I can't. We can also clearly see those magnets once again, and the rear camera array on this phone, pretty big cutout for that right here, which makes sense. And also around the rear camera array, we do have a raised lip around that to protect it. And we have a raised lip around the front of the phone too. So in theory, if you lay the phone on a flat surface, the screen should not touch it. So that's definitely good right there. And now that we've had a little walk around tour of the phone, let's test out some of that MagSafe. So I can come over here and grab my Apple MagSafe charging puck. And you know what? Let's just see if it works with this case. And surprise, surprise, it definitely does. As you can see, it magnetically snaps on super easy and starts charging the phone. Makes a lot of sense because it does have those magnets built in. Now let's also test out the MagSafe with my Apple MagSafe battery pack right here. We can slap it on, and also obviously that works with this case just fine. As you can see, it is charging up the phone. So yeah, and it's on there pretty solid, so that is definitely good. But I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear case with glitter right here for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've got to say, it definitely has, a sparkly, kind of standout look with that deep purple of my iPhone, which I think is kind of nice. It catches your eye right there. But if you guys want this case for yourself, it will set you back about $50. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourself? Definitely let me know because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are looking for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the 14 Pro Max cases that I've featured on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.